Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a fishtail braid step by step. Okay, so you're going to grab two pieces of hair and you're going to cross them over from left to right. Since I'm right-handed, as you see in this video, I'm going to place my left hand over the top of one piece of hair. And I'm going to cross over from behind the braid directly over to the next side. Then I'm going to take my right hand and hold the hair with my thumb and cross it over from the left side. I'm going to continue to do that back and forth throughout the entire head. So you're going to basically take from the right and cross it over and hold with your thumb. Then you're going to take it from the left and cross it over and hold it with your thumb. And you're going to continue this throughout the whole entire process until you reach the entire end of the braid. So here we are with the final product of the fishtail braid. As you see in full detail, this is how we do it. Thank you for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think or if you have any questions. Okay, guys? Bye.